Jai Srimanarayana. Second sloka from first chapter Arjuna Vishada Yoga of Bhagavad Gita. Drushtva tu Pandavanikam Vyudham Duryodhanastada Acharyam Upasangamya Raja Vachanam Abravit. The message from this sloka is: be humble and obedient to elders and acharyas. And the final message of Sri Krishna Paramatma from Bhagavad Gita is: surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now, while doing Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma, let us say, O Krishna, I shall be obedient and humble to acharyas and elders. I shall surrender to you. Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. In the end of this video, we will chant today's Bhagavad Gita slokam again. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vamana, he is now wandering in that, he is now entering into the Bali Chakravarti's Asvamedha Yagasala. In that Yagasala, Yajnasala, there are so many priests, Ritviks. They are all chanting, doing Parayana of Veda, Itihasa, Puranas. In that Yagasala, this Vamana, while walking, Kondarato Chirchinchunu Kondarato Jatalu Cheppu Goshtincheyun Kondarato Tarkinchunu Kondarato Muchatadu Kondaranavun. In that Yagasala, Vamana, while walking, he is discussing with few people. And he goes to those people who are doing Veda Parayana. He also joins them, and along with them he is also doing Veda Parayana. And he is chit-chatting with some people. And he is arguing and debating on few subjects with some people. He started discussing with few people. He is smiling and laughing with some people. Like that, while he is doing so many things, he is walking in that Yagasala. And not only that, he is walking with so much of beautiful postures. And he is getting into those people wherever there are people. Hari, Hari, Anuchun, Maraguchu. While saying Hari, Hari, he is hiding somewhere. He is coming out somewhere. He is showing his surpriseness And like that he is going here and there, and he is pretending, and he is doing so many kind of activities while attracting everyone's attention in that yagasala. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 2nd sloka. Drishtva tu Pandavanikam Vyudham Duryodhanastada Acharyam Vupasangamya Raja Vachanamabravit. Drishtva tu Pandavanikam Vyudham Duryodhanastada Acharyamupasangamya Raja Vachanamabravit. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.